Welcome back to Selling Remission. We are on our way to Grenada from the British Virgin Islands. We left in a hurry as Hurricane Brett is on its way, and we need to get south of him. It is a 5-day trip with wind. You sure wouldn't know a hurricane is coming. We did have a night with moderate winds and about 3-meter swells. Bart and I thought nothing of this, but our guests, Dennis and Susie, slept in their life jackets.
Caribbean
Landlubbers.
2 knots of wind. There's nothing. Doing a lot of motoring. Another beautiful night in paradise, Grenada style.
What could I do? Follow along with your hips, feet, heartbeats on the floor, and dress in your hair, 'cause it ain't fair. Whatever you do.
We made it to Grenada and weathered the storm fine. Now it's beautiful, and just take a look at our home for the next 4 months as we ride out hurricane season.
We have made many new cruiser friends here in Grenada. In fact, Cindy is off to her Thursday morning coffee with the ladies. Well, they call it coffee, with just a hint of Bloody Marys. Notice Cindy is driving the tenders. The ladies couldn't believe that she drove the tender all by herself. Cindy is a celebrity at coffee.
I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Captured by your charm, enchanted by your ways.
We attempt to exercise regularly. Can't you tell? Today is shoulder day.
I become lost in their spell. So come closer, my dear, because all is well. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll
Not level. Because you're halfway on the stay and the other half on the...
Oh, you got me stressing, counting all my blessings. God, come get me out of this town. Every day I wake up.
This is not working.
City lighting, construction sound. I
And of course the camera's running.
Yeah. Here, 320.
It's only 10 o'clock, so it might be just a little early for a beer.
Now Cindy immediately goes right into her stretching routine. I'm better at filming this than I am doing this.
All right, well, the next few days we're gonna have a tropical storm coming through. Not a hurricane or anything like that, but strong enough to where we can have like 35 knots of wind. So we are putting everything away. Supposed to start tomorrow morning. You know, besides the wind, we're gonna have record amounts of rainfall down here, where they're expecting a lot of flooding and such. So everything's getting put away now, and we're just gonna batten up for a few days. My tarp over there has got to come down, which I'm not too happy about. But it's only supposed to handle about 20 up to 25 knots, and we're gonna have a lot more than that. Already put the scooters away, gonna put the lifts away. Pretty much anything that can be blown around, we're gonna put away. All these cushions are gonna be put away. So just preparing for when it comes tomorrow. Hopefully it won't be as bad as they say, but you know, we got the Californians worrying about Hillary coming through. This isn't even a named storm, but it's supposed to be that strong. So we got a lot of work to do today before she hits tomorrow, and the winds and the rain is supposed to last all the way through Thursday. So I think we're going to be batting down for a while here, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Yeah, taking this tarp down is not too difficult. It's just I'm more worried I got to put the freaking thing back up next week, because it does keep the boat a lot cooler, and you know, it's comfortable. That's where we do our weightlifting in the mornings underneath the shade, and in the evenings always got to, you know, the boat always points to the wind, and so in the evenings we come up here, we'll have a glass of wine and, you know, enjoy the breeze where it's cool underneath the shade. So gonna miss it up here, but I don't really want to lose it. I just got the damn thing. So, well, I can't do this one-handed, so I will talk to you later. Well, now it looks pretty barren up here. As you can tell, the deck's pretty dirty, but I figure with 6 to 8 inches of rain coming the next few days, hopefully it'll clear it off so I don't have to do it myself. We'll see. I think the boat is pretty well put away for the most part. I think we only have to move the lift indoors and we'll be ready. It's like noon and I think it's already beer time. Yeah.
Well, look at our big storm. This is the one where we battened down all the hatches, preparing for the worst. Supposed to be 30 knot winds, like 6 inches of rain, and we got a little bit of clouds. So now we got to put the tarp and everything back up, unbatten the hatches. But always better to be safe than to be sorry. It's pretty though this morning. Yeah, I just checked the weather, and it looks like that big storm pretty much just went around the island. So we get a beautiful morning, and we don't have to worry about the big waves, the big storms coming. I do love it here.
Monday night is barbecue night. Everyone brings their own food and drink, and we all share a fire pit on the beach. We may be stuck in Grenada for 4 months, but the cruiser community sure is great.
But I got more than you got ice.
Okay, don't tell us.
When did you stick them in ice for you?
Yeah, that egg binds it to the barbecue.
Don't take on the cook.
Up here.
Just put them on the table, yeah? Thank you. You're gonna start putting away from the bone. That's probably almost it.
Here, bud.
I think a boat hit him, because see the damage on his back here, how it's white, and then he got a slice there? That's the prop got it.
Because my lease is allergic, they catch us. I want to make sure.
So he was breathing when you found him.
Yeah, earlier today I found him, and then I put him on a rock like this, and I stuffed, there was a bunch of grass and stuff there, and I stuffed him like this so that the current was coming into his face. And
But he didn't make it. You think he got hit by a prop or something?
Yeah, cause see how it's all white there?
Oh, yeah.
And then he's got a cut in him right there.
Oh.
So I think he got nailed by a prop.
Yeah.
Poor little guy.
Dinner time.
You never know who or what you're going to run into. This is the boat from season 7 of Below Deck Mediterranean called Home. I just talked to the crew guys, and they said they're not preparing for any charters on the show right now, but the owner's coming aboard. He's going to have I guess a time here in Grenada for a while. Isn't she a beauty? How do you like these seats?
All right, well, it's Friday afternoon, and one of the nice things about Fridays is Cruiser set up a local Texas Hold'em tournament. What's great about this is it lasts about 3 to 4 hours, and it's a way for Cindy and I to get apart. I mean, she's been back a week and a half, and she's already getting a little snippy with me. So this way I'll get away, have some fun for about an hour and a half. Oops. And she'll have some time to spend by herself, just kind of chilling out and stuff, and I'll get a chance to do something else on my own. Because yesterday morning she had the women's coffee group here at the marina where I'm at now, and when she got back, she says the biggest topic of conversation with all the women was, it sure is nice to get away from your partner for a little while. So I can see it's not a problem just with us or and it's, 24/7 on a small boat. I get it. I'm sure I've been pretty snippy with her, at least I'm sure that's what she'll tell you. So, gonna grab my scooter here now. I'm on the road. Gonna head across the island. We're on one side of the island, and most of the cruisers are on the other side. And so we're gonna go to this little bar and play a few hours of, it's a poker tournament, have a lot of fun, see how we do. Last time I played, finished second, won my money back. But this time I'm going for the gusto. I'm gonna win it all. See you in a bit.
So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock. Memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, no shoes to
No sound, we're flying, baby.
Beautiful supermoon tonight. Blue moon.
Building castles, castles in the sun. We're having fun, we're having fun.
Recently, Cindy told me I just have average intelligence. She used a medium tone to her voice and told me in a mode that I think is really just mean. Is Google a man or a woman? Obviously, Google's a woman, because she never lets you finish a sentence without offering a suggestion.